welcome back to Learn with Samvidya. Today we are going to learn about household items in 4 languages: English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, English, house, Telugu, illu, Hindi, gar, Kannada, mani. Number 2, English, door, Telugu, talupu, Hindi, darwaza, Kannada, bagillu. Number 3, English, window, Telugu, kitiki, Hindi, kitaki, Kannada, kitaki. Number 4, English, chair, Telugu, kurchi, Hindi, kursi, Kannada, kurchi. Number 5, English, table, Telugu, balla, Hindi, maze, Kannada, meju. Number 6, English, bed, Telugu, mancham, Hindi, bistar, Kannada, hasige. Number 7, English, pillow, Telugu, talagada, Hindi, takiya, Kannada, talegase. Number 8, English, fan, Telugu, fan, English, Hindi, panka, Kannada, panka. Number 9, English, light, Telugu, deepam, Hindi, roshni, Kannada, beleku. Number 10, English, mirror, Telugu, addam, Hindi, iron, Kannada, kannadi. Number 11, English, cup, Telugu, kappu, Hindi, cup, Kannada, kappu. Number 12, English, plate, Telugu, plate, Hindi, thali, Kannada, tatti. Number 13, English, spoon, Telugu, chencha, Hindi, chammach, Kannada, chammacha. Number 14, English, clock, Telugu, gadiyaram, Hindi, ghadi, Kannada, gadiyara. Number 15, English, bucket, Telugu, bucket, Hindi, balti, Kannada, bucket. Awesome job, friends. Now you know how to speak household items in 4 languages. Keep practicing daily and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.